Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Rose and Rag.
So today we've come to a really beautiful place, right?
Yeah, it is a canal, nice canal, and we came for an evening walk.
Yes, so you've got the canal view. I'm sure you're able to see it behind me. And then you've got lots of greenery around as well, like forest areas around.
Yeah.
And then you've got this lovely pathway where you can see people riding their bikes, people coming with their pets for their walks and stuff.
True.
And just people jogging around as well.
Absolutely.
And as you already know, within Europe and UK, the third wave has sort of started and few places are already in lockdown.
Yeah.
We are still continuing with the same lockdown rules at the moment.
Yeah.
So that is why we're not traveling anywhere outside or much far away from our place. But taking such small walks, at least 5 or 10 minutes walks
to begin with.
Yeah, to begin with. It's really important, right? We know how the importance of taking 10,000 steps now has become really sort of famous and popular sort of an idea to keep you healthy and going. So we thought we'll start off with our little adventure today, maybe a 10-minute walk or so. And I've just covered about 350 steps so far.
I think I covered more than 3,500.
Yeah, that's because he's been moving his hand, and this poor watch counts a movement of your hand as a step as well. So clearly 3.5 minus 3.5, that's so 0 steps for him. But guys, we wanted to motivate you through this vlog today. So first thing what we're going to do is show you a good view around this place, and I'm sure you'll love it, and then we'll catch up as well.
Absolutely. Let's check out
Take a road, yeah.
So guys, how is the view? Fantastic, right?
Yeah, absolutely splendid and so relaxing and peaceful as well. Lots of you can hear the sound of the wind as well. Just a calming sort of atmosphere, which is very important.
I think we both are just making sounds like.
Yeah, it's just us probably talking so loudly. Everything else is like really calm around.
Absolutely.
Even the birds are not chirping as much. Probably they've gone to sleep or whatever.
Yeah, I mean, I think these kind of areas are really good for a jog or probably for a walk. Even if you can join with your partner or your family members or any your friends. Even if you're alone, I think that if you put like a nice music on and just jog for at least for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I think that will actually do.
Or get your pet for a walk as well with you. Have a competition.
Absolutely. I mean, fantastic. I mean, I really love this evening walk. So I think we should do this more often. I mean, we do more of our home workouts, but this is something really good, as in as you guys already know, like how the cases are rapidly growing in Europe as well as in UK. I think the vaccinations are going good, but at the same time we have our own concerns because we're told not to go out of your local area. Absolutely.
So we've stuck to the rules anyway. We've come out to explore this little park by our local area.
Absolutely.
And it's been really good so far because we've covered about 350 steps, as I mentioned, which is not a lot, but it is a good start, right? Because what happens is when you're consciously working from home or when you're just home based and you've been that way for a really long time, you tend to get really lazy as well, which probably is happening with most of us anyway. And we thought this will be a nice way to encourage our subscribers as well to go out, go to your local area or even your local garden as such, just to go and walk for like 5 minutes and then build it up 5 minutes every single day.
Absolutely.
And that will keep you really healthy as well.
Absolutely.
So hopefully our initiative will encourage you guys as well.
Definitely.
And if you guys like this vlog, please do let us know your thoughts in the comments as well.
Absolutely. I mean, if you have any other suggestions, like where do you guys like usually jog? Is it in the parks or is it in the areas which you normally go outside of your current city? Please.
Or is it just at your home in one room like I do sometimes? That's also okay given the current circumstances.
Let us know, and that will be a great inspiration for us as well.
Absolutely. And we've got other amazing vlogs in our channel. We've got lots of travel related vlogs, motivational talks as well, movie reviews, and lots of nature related vlogs as well. So if you like our content, please do subscribe to our channel.
Thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon in the next vlog.
See you soon. Bye.